It's a really exciting time in kind of plasma cell disorders in general. So in amyloid, we've really kind of gotten a lot of our therapies from the myeloma research. So drugs like daratumumab, our IMiDs, these are all generally studied in myeloma, and when we start to see a signal, we bring them over and we study them in amyloid. And a lot of that has to do with patient frailty. So now kind of we're seeing a new kind of wave of drugs, specifically our bispecific antibodies targeting BCMA, and some newer IMiDs, so some drugs that maybe are going to be better tolerated. So really those are starting to make their way into clinical trials in amyloidosis. There's been some case reports and kind of off-label, kind of looking at these drugs, specifically teclistamab. We're really seeing quite promising responses. So to me, this is really exciting because it means as we start to study these drugs, we show that they're safe and effective, even when patients do relapse after really effective upfront therapy, whether that's high-dose chemotherapy or not. We're going to have some really good therapies to offer those patients, which generally, 10, 15 years ago really wasn't the case. So I think the future is bright for these patients. These therapies are more effective, less toxic, and I think kind of amyloid is going to really become, again, really a manageable chronic disease, which we hope for our patients.